Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the background of your picture on your Adobe Photoshop. So the process for any version of Photoshop is the same. So for that just follow my steps here. So this is the picture and we want to change the background of this picture into this here. So how can you do that? Just follow my steps. So this is very simple process. If you are newbie or you are just beginner in Adobe Photoshop, you can do it on your own without much effort here. So for that just go to your Adobe Photoshop here. Just cut it and you can see on the top of the left corner file section here, just click on open section and just choose your picture you want to remove and change the background of. So I just click on this here. So this is the picture I want to change the background of. So for that you can see on the right side you can see lots of options here. You can see the third last option is layer. Just click on layers option here. After that you can see it automatically create a new layer and you can see the lock button is there. Just click on the lock option and you can see I just unlock this layer here. After that you can see again on the right side the properties section is there. So just click on the properties section here. If you don't find the properties section here, then you can see on the top side windows option is there. Just click on the windows here and here you will see the properties section here. You can see the properties here. Just click on properties here and you can see the properties section is there. After that you can see the first one is transform, align and distribute, and the last one is quick action. So just click here. So after that you can see two options is there. First one is remove background. So just click on remove background here. So Photoshop will automatically detect the background and remove the background for us without any green screen. So here you can see I just remove the background of this picture here. Now I have to add a new background on this picture here. So for that you can see again just go to the file section and again just click on open and now choose your background here. So I just click on this background. You can see empty jungle here. So you can see this is gonna be my background of the picture here. So you can see on the top side two pictures is there. First one is this and second one is my main picture here. So after that you just have to go to the second option. You can see second picture and after that just click and slide down here. So just slide right here and you can see we can see both background and our main picture here. So after that you can see on the left side just click on the first option move tool here. Just click here. After that just click on the picture or main object here and just slide it into our background here. So after that just cut this first picture here. Just click on no option and here you can see this is the picture and you can see this is the background here. So just move your picture as you like here. So if you want to change the size of your main picture and then just go to your keyboard and just click Ctrl+T here and here you can see the rectangle is there. You can just move down and choose the picture size as per your preferences. So right now I just go up and I just choose this picture. After that just click on enter here. So here you can see this is how our picture will look and you can see this is my main picture and you can see this is the background here. So after that just go to the file section, just click on save as and then just choose your downloading location here. So I just click on download option here and you can see save as a type. Just click here and just type the last option TIFF here. After that just click on save option here. Again just click on OK option, again click on OK option and then just go back. So here you can see this is my download section here. So here you can see I just convert this picture into this background here. So this is how you can do it. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Also do check out these two useful videos. Also if you want to grow your social media accounts growth, you can contact us on Instagram. The link is in description. So see you again in next video.